Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need to add the emoji keyboard now. Open your device settings and go straight to keyboard or language input. Tap Add Keyboard, choose Emoji. If you already have the emoji keyboard, enable Allow Full Access only if you trust the app. Most times it's unnecessary. Once done, open any text field and press the globe or smiley icon to confirm the keyboard appears. Make sure to restart the app if it doesn't show right away. This forces the OS to reload keyboard options. Now expand your emoji set by installing a dedicated emoji keyboard app or enabling third-party keyboards. On Android, visit Google Play and install a reputable keyboard. Grant permissions, then select it in Settings, System Languages, and Input. On iOS, install an app from the App Store, then add keyboard and allow full access only for trusted developers. Once active, use the app's emoji packs, sticker packs, or GIF integrations to access extended sets. Remember to update apps regularly. Emoji support improves with OS and app updates. To finish, customize and organize your emoji use. Add frequently used emojis to favorites, create shortcuts or text replacements, and sync keyboards across devices via account settings. Test in Messages, email, and social apps to confirm compatibility. If certain emojis render as blank or boxes, make sure both your OS and the recipient's app are up to date. Older software may lack newer emoji glyphs. Troubleshooting tip: if the keyboard disappears, remove.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.